Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. I hope you're all doing well and I hope all of your investment goals are going as planned. Now today's video is a very special one. I have received a piece of packaging from the one and the only Cobra Stacker. Now if you haven't seen one of his more recent videos, he got some bespoke 1 ounce silver bullion coins made, which he very generously decided to send to some of his favorite content creators on YouTube, and I was very lucky enough to be one of those people. So I'm not going to wait around, I'm not going to beat around the bush, I'm going to go straight ahead in with the unboxing. Now the Cobra Stacker, he's an awesome YouTuber, I love his videos. He started his channel on the 2nd of January 2023 and his channel already has a total of 40,000 views. So he's absolutely smashing it. And when you go over to his channel, you can see why. The quality of his videos are very high and he has, without a doubt, got one of the best backdrops in the precious metals content creation genre, if you like. I mean, the Stack Collector is up there, but yeah, Cobra Stacker's got one of the best backdrops. You just have to go over to his channel to find it. So as we continue unboxing this, I just want to talk about his most viewed video and what his channel is about. He talks predominantly about gold and silver bullion coin sets and individual coins, and his most viewed video has 2.9 thousand views, and it's a huge gold and silver buy that he did where he unboxes it on camera. So awesome stuff. So anyway, let's crack on with the unboxing. Right, so I think we've got a letter in here. Let's just take this off camera. Yep, nothing else in there. Okay, so we have got a lovely box which says Silver Angel on, and that is the company that created his bespoke 1 ounce silver bullion coins. And I've got to say, I'm very impressed with their packaging already. And we've got a lovely little certificate of authenticity from Silver Angel, and here it appears we've got a note. So this is just as exciting as the bullion coin that I'm going to unbox shortly. I love the notes, and this is probably my second ever mail call, if you like. I know the Stack Collector has sent me the 1 ounce silver proof coin in the background there, because I think he felt a bit sorry for me that I didn't have my own proof coins. So yeah, anyway, I can see a sticker. Wow, look at that. I've got two. Brilliant, look at that. Cobra Stacker, man, they are some cool stickers. Dude, thank you so much. 1 ounce cash and 4 nines gold Cobra Stacker. They are so cool. And there you go, they're going to sit with 365 sticker in the background. I'm going to have to find a better place for them. But during the video, they're going to sit on show here. So really cool. Thank you for that, mate. I will treasure those very much. All right, so let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, oh, look at that. It says, "Hey future investments, this is a little thank you for your support and hard work as a creator. I have only just discovered your channel, but I really enjoy your Sunday lives which bring the whole stacking community together. Keep up the good work, my friend, Cobra Stacker." Oh man, that's so awesome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. And I love that you're new to the channel, but I really love the fact that you watch the Sunday lives with me and the Stack Collector. So that means a lot. And we've got another sticker there. So I will treasure that with the rest of my stickers. So let's get on with the unboxing. Here we go. Let's open this lovely piece from Cobra Stacker. Let's slowly get this off. I don't know if I'm supposed to rip it. I'm gonna, you know what? Oh yeah, you have to rip it. That's cool, that's fine. All right, here we go. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm excited. It's 7 of 15. Pretty cool. Let's go, here we go. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. Dude, thank you so much. I can't believe it. Look at this custom piece. It says Cobra Stacker around the outer edge, and it's got the date on it, 2023, and 3 nines fine. Absolutely stunning. We turn it over, and it's number 7 of 15. It's got Cobra Stacker on the back. A 1 ounce silver bullion piece from another YouTuber, and it's custom made. That is so cool. I want to try and get it out of the capsule. There we go, just got it opened off of camera. Look at the shine on that. I'm actually going to take it out. I need to hold it. This piece needs to be held and admired. Look at that. Awesome. I nearly got a face reveal there. That is so cool. Ooh, hello in the background. Very, very cool. Thank you so much, mate. I can't say how generous that is of you. And we all know that there would have been a bit of a premium to get these made because it's a custom piece. It's a custom piece of silver bullion. So to get this made and send it as well to some of your favourite YouTubers that you enjoy watching, it really is quite special. So I think this will do big things for your channel. I think this will bring a lot of publicity your way, which is of course what we want. You know, receiving these pieces, I want you to receive some of that because it's just deserved. So yeah, thank you very much, mate. I'm gonna try my best to get this piece to sit up in my backdrop and be part of my new backdrop setup that's recently been updated. So I'm gonna pop it in the background here for now, and hopefully I can figure out a nice way to set it all up over different periods of time. So thank you very much, mate. Let's have a quick look at the certificate of authenticity there. Nearly lost that. Hand poured fine silver certificate of authenticity by silverangelpouring.co.uk, and it's got the information on the back there. Cobra Stacker round. It's 29.01 grams. Serial number 7 of 15. 39's fine, hallmarked in Edinburgh, and it's signed by obviously the company owner, I assume. Very, very cool. I'll be treasuring this. I'm going to do my best to keep it in the backdrop alongside your stickers. It means a lot, so thank you again, mate. And if you haven't already, go and check out Cobra Stacker's channel. The link for his channel will be at the top of the description in this video. So thank you again, mate. I'm going to be watching your live tonight with the Stack Collector at 7 PM. I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, I'll be seeing you in a live chat. So thanks very much for watching, everyone. Big shout out to the channel members. I really appreciate your support. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye, guys. So after I finished the video, I was thinking, where can I stick Cobra Stacker's sticker? And it dawned on me, I've got a black backdrop on my wall. And I thought, there's nothing there. Them stickers, providing they stick, would be a perfect backdrop behind my backdrop. So there you go, Cobra Stacker's new sticker is on the back there, perfectly placed in a pride of spot, and you've got 365s there, and I thought, why not, I'll put my own one up the top there. So all I'm missing now is the rest of you amazing precious metal content creators, and I can maybe fill the whole backdrop with you guys and your stickers. That would be pretty cool. But yeah, thanks again to the Cobra Stacker. You're an awesome guy, and I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you all then. To watch another episode on future investments, click the link now.